Welcome, this is how to fix attachments that are not showing up in Outlook. So first is go to your Outlook software and go for the file on the top left corner of the screen. Now here, go for the options on the left side down below. And from here, you should be able to have here Trust Center at the very bottom. Now here, you should only have one Trust Center settings. Click on that. Now from here, go for the attachment handling. And guys, make sure that this is not turned off, because if you turn it off, you should be able to not see any attachment. So make sure this is disabled, and you just simply select OK, and you should be able to fix the issue. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, leave a like. And guys, if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and I will do my best to answer them all. And thanks for watching.